Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Cardano update, and we are excited. And what did I tell you? I was waiting for this video. I was waiting for the video tomorrow, but let's celebrate a little bit early. Why not? It can work out. It can work out. Cardano pumping is getting out to some kind of resistance. We're gonna look at that. We're gonna look at targets. We're gonna see what's happening. But I just want to say, for everybody that's been following me for the last 2 weeks or more during this entire time, and you know how bullish I've been on this. We had some kind of panic area, but we have always been bullish, because this is how bull markets work. You go up, you get into the consolidation area. Sometimes the consolidation area lasts for a month or two. That's the way things work. Look at Bitcoin; it's been consolidating like forever, and right now we are on the move up again. Not only Cardano, but a lot of other coins are on the move up again, and we're gonna see that. That said, before we start, check out the Patreon as well, but check out the Telegram group down in the description. Very nice group, 3 days old, like 600 members. Very nice bunch of people, so do check it out. That said, let's get in the chart to see what's happening with Cardano. Okay, let's take it down a notch. So basically, Cardano, for new guys that have not been here before and have not following this channel, let me explain it quickly. This line down here, this triangle, that's the triangle we're trying to get out of. It's been going on forever, and now we are actually getting out of the triangle. So this is playing out as expected. The 115 line was a support line that we have been holding forever. And that was very important line to not break. You see here lately, like it's been above the line constantly, and we have been totally sure it's probably not gonna break. Then we were waiting for this 50 moving average that was coming to the price. It got support here, and that was pretty much confirmation that this was to go up. So the next step that needed to be done to move this price further up is to break this yellow area up here that was acting as a resistance. We broke it on one day, but then we just got back below the area. So this area right now is broken for a second time, and that's probably the most important indicator we have right now that this is going up. That's because you just don't break an area several times during small time interval and expect it not to hold. So this is probably hold. So I was always saying the first step we have to do to get out of this triangle is to make the move above this area up here, and that happened right on this candle. First of all, it happened on this candle, but we went right back down again. Right now it happened the second time. We got above it. We did not get above the out of the triangle. We got above yesterday. We got above the area, and that's very important. And now we have to hold that. And by looking at this candle over here, holding this levels, holding above these levels is gonna be piece of cake. Not only that, you can also see on the volume, not on the daily, but you can see on the 1 hourly volume, these small dots of bullishness that were pushing the candle on out. You can see here also a lot of trading was going on when we are getting out. So even the volume is confirming that this is actually happening. So we are going out. Even this candle up here, when we hit this target at 131, that's the next target we have to get out of. Let's go back to the daily, but we can look on 4 hourly. You see on the 4 hourly we went back down, retested the triangle perfectly. This is a perfect retest. You get out of it, you can see here we're sitting up above the 131, go down to retest triangle, all the moving average on 1 hourly, and we are bouncing back out of the 131 line. So this is gonna, if this 4 hourly holds, that's in 2 hours above the 131, that's pretty much confirmed that we are above 131, and we can actually count on that daily as well. We'll close above 131 line. Let me see the here again on the daily. So let me know. So first thing first, we are above this yellow area. That's done. We are sitting on the top of this triangle, and now we are getting out of the triangle. That was the second thing we had to do, and the third thing is getting out of this 131 line, right? But I think the 131 and the triangle is going to come at the same time. So if we close today, if this candle closes above 131 today, Cardano is done. All of this down here is finished, and we are in an uptrend. And you can also see the 10 moving average. That would be the white line down here. That's the 10 moving average, how it's pushing the price upwards. and that's very important line. You can see here the line is actually getting above this yellow area. That means that probably with very much confidence to get down back to this level is very hard. Down here it's almost impossible right now, the way I see it. I mean, anything can happen, like something can come and we can just drop down. But you know, time before that, when we were starting to be bullish here, I said like bye this area down here. There's no way you can buy it again, and luckily for us, fortune is on our side, and it says like you can buy again on these levels. So these levels up here, I'm now doing this for the second time. You will never ever be able to buy it below 1.2 again. Okay, you had your chance for a long time to buy it below 1.2. There is no chance you're getting Cardano below 1.2 ever again. Maybe in the bear market, but right now I don't see how you're gonna get the Cardano at 1.2. I don't see it. If this can close above 1.2, bye everybody. That's how bullish I am. Do you know why it's important to close above 131? Because this top over here, this is a high, this is a higher high. What we want to make now is actually a higher high above this one, actually above this one over here. That's at 137. But if we make just higher high up here, that means that we don't get we don't have some kind of downtrend or something like that. So it's an important line. But if we get a higher high than this one as well, that means that Cardano is technically been in an uptrend all the time. Not only that, I'm gonna make further prediction and say that what's happening right now, it's gonna play out. We're gonna make another because this is a triangle, but out of this triangle is gonna come this rising wedge. So when Cardano starts going up over here, it might actually stop at 156 or 157, something like that, right? It might get into this triangle wedge over here, and it might actually cross this wedge. We have to see that. This is assumption. This is not actually how it's gonna play out, but it might play out like this. Then it's only after the breaking of this top resistance up here that we are gonna see some explosive moves on Cardano. If this not play out, if this wedge never comes into the play, then the target should be this is the previous target we have drawn, but basically it's the top of the triangle to the bottom of triangle, and wherever the breakout is, you can see here it's around 1.19. So 1.9, maybe something like, let's put out 1.9. That's actually where target right now is. It's at 1.9. Let's pull the line up as well. There we go. 1.9 is right now the target if this plays out. But that's assuming that we break this trend line on the first move. So if we can break, just go up and break this trend line without problems, the target should be 1.9. But it's looking very good. And you guys who have been following my Cardano videos, congratulations to everybody. Keep on following Cardano videos, because we are gonna continue doing the Cardano daily. This is very exciting times. I'm excited to see what Cardano can do after what Binance coin did. And also, if you wanna check what all the other coins are doing, join our Patreon page. We do like 30-40 coins every single day, technical analysis, what's pumping, what's not pumping, super great community. Do that. Also, at the end of the movie, subscribe to the channel, because you want to see the next Cardano video. I promise you, tomorrow's Cardano video is gonna be glorious. It's gonna, if this closes, you can see here it's pulling a little back to the 131 line, but the candle is not closed yet. It has still how many hours? Still 14 hours of trading left, because before the candle gets closed. And once that gets closed, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. So keep that in mind. Watch the channel and subscribe and like the video, because YouTube algorithm on that shebang. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.